I'm going to show a little bit safer way to cut the mango meat off the seed instead of holding it in your hand. So remember, we have the the wide end, the skinny end, the bottom, or the piece that attaches to the tree. So we're going to cut a little bit of that off because we're going to stand it up. After we stand it up, we want the fat end, that wide end, to be able to flow with the knife, because that's where that meat's going to come off. And we can check the seed, right? The seed it's going to be right in the middle, but just so we can see where it is, we'll go down, but then we'll angle the knife to the seed. And now we have to respect the curve a little bit, but we want to hit the seed first, and then we're slowly, and it's wanting to move, slowly going to saw down, keeping the knife angled towards the seed. Now don't try to cut through the seed. So if your knife kind of stops on the seed, then you want to take your knife angled away from the seed. So we flip it around, cut, down to the seed. So the seed, right, you see how it's curving quite a bit. So we have some options. Then to take off the side meat, we'll go around, side meat. Again, we're going down to the seed. This one's not coming out very beautifully, but that'll be all right. And then we give this to Willie because he loves those. If you want to, we can check out really how that seed, how big it truly is, and how the diameter is, the curves are. So we'll just kind of trim this up, and I'm doing this only so you can see. It's slippery little fella. So I think we're pretty much, all the mango meat is removed. So we have the seed right here, and you can see through some of that meat. But we have the ends, the very bottom, the shrapnel, and then the two nice mango meats. That's how you do it safely.